Power of showing up. What's the difference? How is showing up so important in your fitness and in life in general? This is Evolve Strong with CJ. I am CJ. I help you lose 10 pounds and 5 inches in 28 days. So, one of the most basic principles, or the number one rule that I have with every single one of my clients, is show up. That is the number one rule that I have with my clientele. Now, I do have others, which is basically do your nutrition logging, do your homework. Those are the three things at the beginning. If you just show up, do your nutrition logging, and do the homework, you're gonna get 10 pounds off and 5 inches in 28 days. If you don't show up, it won't work. It just won't. It won't work. Not in my programming. And I honestly don't believe in life in general. It is super crazy that if you just show up in life, or you just show up to get the work done, if you just show up, more than likely you've already completed 90% of the battle. I had the distinct pleasure of listening to a motivational speaker over at Presbyterian. And she is a speaker. And so she was competing in a national speaking competition. And she had said she too had her reservations about, competing. And she had her fears of like what was going on. And she signed up for it. Her partner pushed her to do it. So she signed up for it. And she looked at the registration, and there was like 10,000 individuals registered for this competition. So she was like, oh my God. Right. And so she got the jitters and all that good stuff. And so she finally she got to the event. And when she got to the event, out of 10,000 individuals who signed up, there was only 700 people who showed up. And that is just a prime example of just showing up. A lot of times, just showing up. Now, in regards to your fitness, if you just show up to the gym or to the workout or to do whatever you're going to do and at least get something in, you did it. You conquered that day, right? And more than likely, you're going to get some benefit. If it's a weak workout, maybe at least it'll get your mind right and at least let you check off that you worked out. If it's a strong workout, man, you got some good stuff going on. Now, in the Shred program or in the programs that we have here or any of just the classes, just showing up's a big deal, right? Yes, I know life gets in the way. Yes, I understand that it's very difficult. I get it. But you have your one body. It's you. This is yours for the rest of your life. And if your health is not cared for, the rest of life is not cared for, right? So the power of showing up is critical on your fitness journey. So let's keep it simple. Let's keep it at that. Show the fuck up. That's it. Show the fuck up. All right. If you needed to hear that message, this is for you. If you didn't, then it's not. If you need to reach out, 505-591-4700, 505-591-4700. Remember, from my heart to yours, start strong, stay strong, always be evolving at most strong. Later, team.